Hello.
Hello.
Are you ready?
Yes.
What is your name? My name is Ming. Mingap. How are you today, Mingap? I'm
Happy.
very good. And how old are you? I'm 3. Okay, give the high five. Very good. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now this is the ant, book, and bag. Where is the ant? Ant. And how the book? Very good. How about the bag? Bag. This is the table, sandbox, and school. Where's the school? School.
Go.
How about the table? Table. Okay, very good. Okay, next. Where is the letter? This is the letter C, E, X, and N. Where is the letter E? Eh, E. This one, eh. You say C,
C.
E,
E.
X,
A.
N, N.
A.
Very good. Okay, let's read. Nose,
Nose.
ant,
A.
run,
Run.
crayon,
Here.
pencil,
Measure.
circle.
Circle.
Okay, now read with me. Crayons are fun.
A five.
We use crayons
Four.
one by one. We like crayons. They are fun. Okay, now let's have your chant. What is this? Is this a storybook? No, it isn't. No, it's not. What is this? Is this a crayon? No, it isn't. No, it's not. This is a pencil. Okay, now let's sing. I see colors. 1, 2, 3, go. I see.
color everything. Oh my truth in my food in the sun and on the rain.
Colors everywhere.
I love.
Very good. How about 3? 1, 2, 3, go. I see up in the sky. 1 is
I
2 are brown. 3 small birds, so very high. Please, oh please, come flying down. Okay, you did a good job at singing, my dear. That's the end of our test. High fiving up. Goodbye. Goodbye.